Folks, you are looking at the Lodge Sportsman's Grill with the great upside down, sporting some chicken breasts that's featuring some Blackstone Tequila Lime Seasoning. And I use it like a rub. This stuff's going to be good. I'm going to slice it up here shortly. You won't be seeing that in the video. This is more of an update on the move. But you might see a picture or two of it after I give you the spiel. Not sure if you could see all that, but it's the truth. Update. The move. The garage is a complete and utter mess. It's a mess. But it's okay because my focus is on this place. Going there to the motherland. Yeah, today, as well as yesterday, we had some people come look at the house. Nothing really happening. The people that came today made a mess. Kind of a mess. They got grass all over the house. There's a sign saying take off your shoes or wear these boots over your shoes. And yeah, they made a mess. They actually got grass on the wall. I'm like, what the hell is with that? Crazy. I really don't like people coming to my house because it's still my house. But if I get as they say I will, for this little house, I'm all for it. I'm sporting a nice, clean, crisp haircut. And I need to get back to the chicken. So thank you folks for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers and get me over 500. I want to get over 1,000 because I'm not asking for your money. I'm not asking for anything. I just want to be able to have more flexibility. You know what I'm saying? I just want to have more flexibility. Let me show you this real quick. This box spring, I've been cutting up because I'm going to just burn it. I was thinking about throwing the whole thing on the fire pit, but I won't do that. But I've been cutting it up. I'll do it tomorrow probably with a possible cooking video for sure. Thank you folks, and until next time, I'm Paulie. Never trust a skinny cook, and see you next time.